Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrook with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX. So we're gonna start way up here in the bow. Just give you guys a nice overall look at it. To give you for reference, I'm about 6'3". This is me sprawled out right here at the very front of the bow. As you can see, it's a very squared off shape, squared off look. That is kind of the trademark to the SDX there. Up here at the front, you've got a nice sea deck platform with some bow ladder right underneath this hatch here and access to your windlass with the remote. Also acts as a nice diving platform or casting platform if you're up here. Got a little bit of storage underneath you down there. Then we'll make our way into the cockpit. So you can see this walkway is a bit more towards the port side of the boat, so it's pretty tight on this side, but you got a ton of room with the helm, and what you got right here is your nice head underneath the helm. So in there you'll see you've got a full sink, vacuum flush head, and some cushions where you can lay down for a bit if you need to get out of the sun. Also a great place to lay some kids down for a nap, something like that. Over here on the port side, you do have your main head unit for your radio control, as well as a lock and glove compartment. Nice comfortable seat on the port side. You've got an adjustable bolster on there and the back that slides forward and back. Very similar to the captain's side. However, this one is a bit longer and you could easily sit two people here, and you've got a lock at the very bottom on there. So when you flip this boat around, you can make a pretty nice and spacious entertaining space in the main cockpit here. So you can easily fit a ton of people on this bench here, and it makes a nice rectangle shape inside this boat. And if we did have this bimini out, you would get complete shade coverage from this lounger here all the way to the driver's seat at the helm. We'll take a look at this lounger right here. Just to show you what it can do is that if you give it a rock back, it's gonna lay completely flat and give you a sun lounger pad there. This tower that is holding our bimini is gonna be a power tower, so with the flip of one of the switches at the helm there, it's gonna fold right down to about above the windshield. Throughout the cockpit, you'll see wireless charging pads and cup holders. It's well adequate in the cockpit of the 270 here. They make use of all that space back behind the seat cushions there. Make our way to the transom pad real quick, just to show you do have radio controls back here. So if you're back here sunbathing, laying on that flat pad like I showed you, you can control the radio from right back here. And then underneath this seat in the far back is your batteries and your battery switches. So makes it super convenient to hit those switches right when you're getting on the boat for the day, and then right when you're getting off, because you got it. This is the first thing you're going to pass and the last thing you're going to pass when you're getting off. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake.